Your robotic vacuum helps keep your floors and carpets clean. But surprise, these robots need some human intervention in the form of weekly cleaning. Here's how to keep a robotic vacuum happy and performing at its best. Remove hair. Our experts say removing any hair from the brush roll and surrounding crevices is especially important because it can block airflow and weaken suction power. Flip the vacuum over on a flat surface and use a knife or scissors to cut through the hair, then carefully pull it out. Clear up the sensors. Since there's no human at the helm, robotic vacs use sensors to navigate and clean a room, and keeping those sensors clean is key. Check the owner's manual to find out where the sensors are located on your specific vacuum, then wipe gently with a dry cloth. For stubborn dirt, try dampening the cloth just a bit. Give wheels a once-over. Sometimes debris can get stuck in the wheel or wheel cavity, making it harder for your vac to move around. Almost all robotic vac wheels are suspended, so it should be simple to wipe away or fish out anything. If there's something stuck, try carefully using a knife or tweezers to pry it out. Unfortunately, sometimes our robotic helpers trek through some pretty gross stuff. If that's the case for your little guy, remove the dustbin and any other easy-to-remove parts and wipe them down with a slightly damp foam sponge. If you need to disinfect, use 70% isopropyl alcohol wipes. When it's just a friendly weekly wipe down, feel free to use a foam sponge or cloth. Clean your filter every 5 to 10 cleaning sessions, or about every other week. Remove it from the vacuum and gently tap it into the garbage to remove dust. You can also use a hand vac to clean the filter. If your vac's filter gets wet, CR says it's best to just replace it. You'll want to perform these checks and tasks at least once a week, more if your space is larger or your vacuum is making the rounds more than 5 times a day. For more robotic vacuum tips and access to our exclusive ratings on all types of vacuums, go to cr.org/vacuums.